Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about the classification of adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes, modifies, or intensifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Most adverbs are formed with the addition of the ly suffix to an existing adjective. Examples: he behaves strangely. Strangely is an adverb that describes the verb behaves. Number 2, they responded extremely quickly. Extremely is an adverb that intensifies the adverb quickly. And number 3, be particularly careful on Friday the 13th. Particularly is an adverb that describes the adjective careful. We go now to the classification of adverbs. Adverb of manner. The adverb of manner answers the questions how or in what manner or way. Examples of adverb of manner. We decorated the area beautifully. How did you decorate the area? Answer, beautifully. I always do my homework conscientiously. In what manner or way do you always do your homework? Conscientiously. Adverb of time. The adverb of time answers the question when. Examples of adverb of time. Tia Maria will visit us now. When will Tia Maria visit you? Now. The video will be shown later. When will the video be shown? Later. Next is adverb of place. Adverb of place answer the question where or in which direction. Example of adverb of place. Jomel can play anywhere. Where can Jomel play? Anywhere. Please move forward, said the leader. In what direction should the group move? Forward. Next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree answer the question how much or how little. Example of adverb of degree. I partly finished my homework. How much of the homework did you finish? Partly. My classmate and I greatly admire our class president. How much do you admire your president? Greatly. Next is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how times the action occur. Examples of adverb of frequency. I often go to the library. How frequent does speaker go to the library? Often. Luis and I go to the province yearly. How often does Luis and the speaker go to the province? Yearly. Adverb of affirmation. Adverb of affirmation are used to make a statement that means yes. Examples of adverb of affirmation. Indeed, Leia likes it. Undoubtedly, Paulo could answer the question. And last classification of adverbs is adverb of negation. Adverb of negation are used to make a statement that means no. Examples of adverb of negation. Sarah is not a member of the choir. Paulo promised his best friend that he will never get into my mischief again. Thank you very much, Grade 5, for listening. God bless you and see you again next time.